most important question as per the homeopathic organon theory paper, and this is an entire question. This question compromises of few aphorisms, so we are going one by one through the aphorism to understand how to write an answer for this question. This question can come for your short note 5 marks, long question 10 marks, and of course for the viva purpose. As per the CBDC syllabus, this is an important one, so let's start with this. Today's aphorism is aphorism 35, and in this Hanuman started to give you mention related to this specific question. In this, Hanuman mentioned about one very specific word, and that is dissimilar diseases. Here we are talking about concept of dissimilar diseases. What happens when you prescribe a non-suitable modern medicine to your patient. So that medicine is producing an dissimilar disease in your patient's body, and what happens after that is called non-homeopathic treatment. So please consider non-homeopathic treatment can also be your one of the short note. So this is how we completed today's aphorism. In context to the previous aphorism, with this question, we are talking about first possibility of this question. In an answer, please write we are talking about first possibility. And what is that first possibility? If the older disease is stronger one and the new disease is weaker one, what will happen? Very simple. If the old disease which is already present in a body, the new disease will never show up, will not come inside, because older disease will, this is a keyword which you will definitely write in your answer. The older disease will repel the new one. So new disease will not come inside the patient's body and the older one will ruled out. But here please consider that cure is not taking place. Though new disease is not coming inside the body, it doesn't mean it is cured. Already patient is suffering with stronger, older disease, so cure has not taken place. Please consider that when you write this, without fail, write examples of these.
These are examples. Severe chronic disease removes autumnal dysentery, scurvy removes plague, eczema removes plague.
Context for this question, we are talking about the first condition that we have already seen, that older one is stronger one and newer one is weaker one. Older one will repel the new disease from patient's body. But one thing what Hanuman mentioned very clearly, here cure is not taking place and diseases are just repelled by the older one, but the older one is still present in your patient's body, and this is exactly happening when a modern medicine is prescribed for chronic ailments of your patient. There is a third condition which is related to this question. Now what does it say? When new disease and older disease both are stronger in nature, then the new one will join the older one in a body and both will be present at the same time in the patient's body. So patient is suffering from both the diseases at a time, and both the diseases will take their respective locality, means the disease which belongs to that particular organ will go and start ruling the body in that particular organ, and this is how the body is having, and this is your short note, complex disease. So please remember, third condition, when both the diseases are stronger, they will combine together to form a complex disease.